Locksmith near me, Abbotsford. If you're locked out and need keys and need a locksmith in Abbotsford, call Mr. Locksmith. Mr. Locksmith Abbotsford. If you need 24-hour lockout services, house lockout, car lockout, call Mr. Locksmith Abbotsford. Rekey locks, lock repair, locks rekeyed, lock change. Mr. Locksmith Abbotsford is there to help. If you need a master key system, we can design it from scratch or we can add on to your existing master key system. You lost your keys to your mailbox, we can open your mailbox, repair it, replace it, give you brand new keys. Key extraction, if you've broken the key to your house or your business, we can remove the broken key and make you brand new keys. House lockout, locked out need keys, no problem. Mr. Locksmith Abbotsford is your complete locksmithing service. Mr. Locksmith Abbotsford does commercial and residential services. We have 24-hour Locksmith Abbotsford service, mobile locksmith Abbotsford, and emergency locksmith for the City of Vancouver. If you need an automotive locksmith, keys locked in your car, we are your car locksmith Abbotsford. Keys locked inside the vehicle, or you've lost your keys, we can make the car key made on site. We have a mobile automotive locksmith Abbotsford. Mr. Locksmith is your locksmith near me, Abbotsford, BC. Mr. Locksmith services all major locks and door locks for residential and commercial locks. Abloy, Primus, Slage, Weiser, Kwikset, Ingersoll Rand, Multilock, Assa, Medico, Abloy. If you're locked out of your safe and you can't get in, we specialize in opening safes that you can't get open. If you're locked out of your Sentry safe, call Mr. Locksmith Abbotsford. We can open that safe easily and quickly. So for a locksmith near me, Abbotsford, BC, call Mr. Locksmith.